Hello, math family. Today we are going to be talking about comparing triangles, pentagons, and hexagons. We've been learning a lot about different attributes that we can classify shapes with, and today we're going to learn about another attribute that we can use to classify shapes. So we are going to be talking about polygons. So what is a polygon? Polygons are made up of all straight sides. So as you can see this triangle right here, all of the sides of the triangle are straight. And all of the sides of a polygon do not cross. So as you can see, these lines never cross. They go on a corner, but they never cross. And polygons are closed figures, which means that you can trace their sides and come back to where you started without retracing or crossing any part. So, for example, you can start at the top, go down, over, and back up again, and you'll never ever cross a line. So let's practice some of these. So these are polygons. Notice how none of these shapes the lines cross. They're all straight lines and they're all closed figures. I'll show you more about the closed in here in a second. So we have all of these are considered polygons. Now, these are not polygons, and let's talk about why. This right here is a circle. Okay, the reason that that is not a polygon is because polygons are made up of all straight lines. Circles do not have straight lines. This figure right here, all of the lines are straight, but when we talked about open and closed, notice how this right here does not connect here, which means this figure is actually an open an open shape, which means that it does not classify as a polygon. If it were closed, it would be, if this were closed right here, it would be considered a polygon. This heart is not a polygon because it does not have all straight sides. Neither does this. This is definitely not a polygon. It's not even a shape. And this right here is not a polygon because those lines right there cross. And when the lines cross, it is not a polygon. So let's practice. Is this a polygon or not a polygon? Think to yourself for a minute. This is a polygon because it has all straight sides, and if you were to run your finger across the lines, you could go all the way around and end up right back where you started. None of the lines cross. What about this? Is this a polygon or not a polygon? This is not a polygon. This is not a polygon because it does not have all straight lines. What about this one? This is a polygon because all of the lines are straight, and if you started at one corner and you traced your finger around, you would end up right back at the same corner that you ended up or you started on. This one is not a polygon because it is an open figure. It is open right here. Although all the lines are straight, it has to be all straight and closed lines. If I were to start right here and go around, I would end up over here and I wouldn't end up back where I started. Same with this one. All of those lines are straight, but if I were to start on one line and trace it around, I don't end up where I started, and the lines right here cross. This one is a polygon. If I were to start here, I could go all the way around and it would connect, and all the lines are straight, and it is a closed figure. This one is not a polygon. This one is not a polygon either. Those lines are not all straight. Ooh, this one's a tricky one. What do you think? Polygon or not a polygon? This one is a polygon. All of those lines are straight lines. This figure is a closed figure. And if I were to start at one corner and trace around, I could go all the way around and end exactly where I started, which means this figure is a polygon. What about this one? This figure is not a polygon. Now we are going to talk about how two shapes are alike and how they are different. So both of these shapes have 6 sides, which means that they are hexagons. Now, this is a hexagon as well. A lot of times when we talk about hexagons, we look at the pink one, but the orange one is a hexagon as well because the orange one has 6 sides. Okay? Can we say both of these are polygons, yes or no? Yes, we could say both of these are polygons. So both of these are hexagons, both of these are polygons. Could we say that, how could we say that they're different? We could say the pink one, all of the sides are the same length. Okay? We can look at the orange one and we can say all of the sides are not the same length. Okay? So, today, you guys are going to be doing an assignment and you're going to be drawing your own shapes and you're going to be telling how they are alike and how they are different. Have fun.